Hello, you should be looking at the APGov Unit 2 choice assignment, and this is particularly about the vocab choice. I want to remind you though on slide 1 that you have to make one of these three choices for vocab review, multiple choice practice, or the handwritten outline for the review book. Please, please, please highlight whichever choice you make. That would be really helpful for me. So if you decide to do multiple choice or handwritten, just highlight it, submit the slide deck, you're done. If you do vocab, highlight vocab review, and you could do right up here. Okay, there's highlight, the color, boom, you're done. Right? If you're doing the vocab assignment, this one's a little different. In the past, we've had, I give you some slides, Frayer models, Venn diagrams, six degrees of separation, and you just fill them in and you're good to go. This says you have a choice, so you got to probably duplicate some slides, and you will have to get rid of some slides maybe, okay? Like before, when you get to slide 3, you're going to highlight green, yellow, or red, depending on the level of difficulty for you. And then you're going to take some of those red and yellow, or maybe some greens if you have a lot of greens, and you're going to kind of apply what you learned in terms of vocabulary. But here's the thing, if you just do this Frayer model, that makes 1 term, and then you do the Venn diagram, that's 2, makes a total of 3, and then you do this slide 6 with the 6 degrees of separation, that's a total of 9 terms. You can't just fill them in. The directions clearly say you have to make a copy of the slide for each Frayer. If you use multiple Frayers, same thing with Venn, same thing with, 6 degrees of separation, you probably wouldn't do that. So let's say I want to make 10 Frayer models. All I need to do is right-click on the Frayer model and click Duplicate Slide. Now I have a place to put 2 different terms, and you can keep doing that a number of times. So maybe you want to do that. Maybe you want to do a combination, like you want to do 3 Venn diagrams. That would be a total of 6. You could duplicate those slides there. Now you have room for 4 terms, for example. And then you want to do 4 Frayers, or maybe you want to do the 6 degrees of separation, and then do a couple Venn diagrams for a total of 10. Or you want to do 4 Frayers, and you add those to the 6, you get a total of 10. But in the end, and it says the directions here at the end, that you get 10 terms total. That's going to be the question for you, okay? So that's kind of it in a nutshell. The best thing to do is to read the directions and reach out to me if you're doing these in advance to let me know. If you're not doing it in advance, best of luck, but the directions I think are pretty clear in terms of making those choices. Thank you.